Hello everyone, it's me Chappy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out if your Android smartphone support Wi-Fi 6 or not. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Wi-Fi 6 checker. On the first list you'll see the application, just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. Now just click on the check. So now you can see here different Wi-Fi versions supported on my respective smartphone. So you can see here one name with Wi-Fi 802.11ax. So if you see this Wi-Fi version, that means your Android smartphone supports Wi-Fi 6. So it is confirmed. Now let us check if my Android smartphone really supports Wi-Fi 6 actually or not. So now let us minimize it and let me connect my Android smartphone with the Wi-Fi 6 internet connections. So I have connected with my iPhone, which has a Wi-Fi 6. So now on the above you can see here it's showing a number 6. So finally it's confirmed that my Android smartphone supports Wi-Fi 6 internet connection. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily find out if your Android smartphone support Wi-Fi 6 or not very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.